3 points lead. 1 meter, 1 meter. 30.1. Okay, iligan. Go! Tidak bilaga. Okay. First throw connect. Okay, na pumasok ang score. 42 against 38. Apat na puntos. Last 28.6. 28.6 seconds. Napilaga. Napilaga. Okay, may foul. Last 24.6. 24.6. Penalty na. Ang foul ni Iligan. 20. Personal foul. First throw, connect 1 point. Score 39 against 42. 3 points lead with 24.6. Okay, kompleto. Score 40 against 42. 24.6 remaining. Okay, foul. Ang foul ni Dapilaga 19, personal foul. 20 kay Mr. Iligan. Okay, no good. Okay, ang inyong mga likes sa inyong cellphone. 23 seconds. Last 23 seconds remaining.
Kaya mo, napakya mo, ulo niya.
Dapilaga. Okay.
Inampakya yung ulo
Last
niya.
9 seconds shot
Sabi
clock. 17.4 seconds remaining. 9 seconds shot
Talo ka
clock.
talaga.
17.4 seconds.
Kaya napakya mo yung ulo mo. Talagang talo ka.
Okay, 8, 7, 6. Okay, may foul.
Agoy.
I'm out, Dapilaga. Last 13.2 seconds. 13.2 seconds remaining. Ang score, 40 against 42. Lamang si Iligan ng dalawa. Ang foul, 21 kay Iligan. First goal. Ayan. Last throw, okay, ang score, 41-42. 41-42. 13.2 seconds remaining. Iligan, okay. Foul. 11.8 seconds remaining.
Sunod yun na, Sir Paul.
Okay, 20 foul si Mr. Dapilaga. First throw, connect 1 point. 41 against 43. Okay, last throw, hindi pumasok. Last 11.8. 11.8. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, foul. Last 3.5. 3.5 seconds. 3.5. seconds. Okay. Ang score, 42 against 43. Half shot. 3.5 seconds. Buzzer na lang po tayo. Iligan. 2.2. Init na 2.2.
na. Sini talaga dyan na. Why na? Ibot-ibot ito.
Okay.